We've come here in style because we are launching 3 outlets together, which means we are doing Behala, Salt Lake and Chinnar Park.
Wow,
So
three
we will
zones.
3 zones and hopefully the southern part of the city also we will eventually come to, which is Gariya.
Gariya Hat.
Yeah, so that also we will do maybe in 3 to 6 months. We will be there. So we will practically cover all of Kolkata. And that is to say, I'm sorry we are late, but we are here. People here love to cook, eat and feed, right? Which means यहाँ के लोगों को खाने से वाकई में प्यार है. And they have a lovely blend of so many cuisines and cultures. Right? If you ask people in Kolkata, you have so much history. People from French came and lived here, British came and stopped their invasion here. Mughals का पूरा culture है. Then of course you have the Portuguese. Then you have of course the natives, Bengalis. You also have Marwadis who made it their home. तो मतलब यहाँ खाने की line लगेगी है basically. If you really think of it, it's a heaven for food. Like every time I've come to Calcutta, there has been no repetition of a meal. Every meal, whether it's breakfast, lunch or dinner, is different.
So much variety.
Like on my last trip, I went to this restaurant called Blue Poppy Thakali, which had like Nepalese khana, which was beautiful. Then of course there's the old world Nahum's bakery and the whole bakery culture, whether it's Flurries, Nahum's. There's so many beautiful like places, and of course the Mithai culture is totally alag, whether it's the Rasgulla or the Sandesh. Oh my god, incredible. So you see this city clearly loves its food, and we have come here with Goila Butter Chicken to add to the city's culture. Hopefully butter chicken is something that will connect the people here, our kind of butter chicken food with. So as you can see, our magic sauce is right here. This is Goila's butter chicken ka sauce. Why I say the magic is in the sauce, because it's made with only fresh tomatoes. We don't add any color, we don't add any sugar to it. The richness and the creaminess comes from cashew nuts. But the hero of this little gravy that you see here is the smoky butter. And how we add smoky butter to it is what I'm going to show it to you right now. And this is why Goila Butter Chicken is sort of well loved across the country now, and hopefully it will be loved in Kolkata too. So you guys can let me know after you taste the butter chicken today if you really enjoyed it. So as you can see, we've put in some tandoori chicken into this. Classically, tandoori chicken would be shredded and added to butter chicken. So आजकल किसी को bone पे नहीं खाना होता है, because all the youngsters, Gen Z, millennials, they all like to have their meals clean and easy. So we shred it and give it to them. So that's shredded chicken and kasuri methi. I think kasuri methi is like the hero spice of butter chicken. I don't think so that butter chicken can be made without kasuri methi. दिल्ली वाले लोग बहुत डिबेट करते हैं इस बारे में, but I think kasuri methi has to be that essential ingredient that adds that earthiness and herbiness to your recipe. We are going to add a touch of honey because a bit of sweetness is required, but not too sweet. That's why we avoid sugar, and we only add, as you saw, a small spoon of honey. This is about 2 portions of butter chicken. We've added a teaspoon of honey in this, and then comes the hero, butter chicken. में butter तो जाएगा ही. So we keep this butter here in the center. अब हम इसको कोयले का ढुंगार देने वाले हैं. What it means is a hot piece of coal is going to go on this butter. Smoke is going to come out. We'll trap it. So now is the right moment to keep your cameras here. Chef Tong, अच्छा चलो स्पून से कर लेता. ये मेरे को लग रहा है ठंडा तो नहीं है. ठीक है. Okay guys, ready?
Yes.
Lot of smoke is going to come out. नहीं शेफ लग चल जाएगा. Lovely. So that is the smoke, and we are going to now trap this smoke in here. Do you get that little bhatti ki khushboo, as we call it? You know, that smoky aroma. Now what happens is butter is fat, so you can also use ghee for this technique. And what these things will do is the butter or the fat traps the smoky flavor within its sort of component. So when we use this butter, whether you put it on bread, naan, or inside this gravy in this case, it will give it a lovely smoky effect. So now I will reveal this for you guys, and we'll have a little MasterChef moment. Are you ready? So let us do this. There you go. Ah, look at that. So that's your butter chicken. How can we make butter chicken without cream? So fairly generous amount of cream, as you can see, but not too much. The idea is for you to not feel a kg heavier tomorrow. So unlike the classic butter chicken, Goila butter chicken has 50% lesser cream and butter. So when I say 50%, the classic butter chicken has 60% tomato gravy and 40% dairy, which means a mix of cream and butter. We do 80% of tomato and 20% of cream and butter. So which means if it's 400 grams gravy, you will only have like 50-60 grams of cream and butter, which makes it fairly light and you can eat it more often and not like once in a year. So here is our strained smoky butter. Now this butter goes into our butter chicken and we are going to give it a nice mix. Should we mix it up? Okay. Lovely. And that is your GBC Goila Butter Chicken all ready. Smells nice. Still.
Tempting.
Tempting, no? Are you ready to eat?
Yes.
Let's do this.